I had cumin water every morning for 7 days, and this is how it helped me. The cumin plant belongs to the Apiaceae family. The seeds of these plants are a popular culinary spice. Cumin is one of the earliest crops to the cultivated in Asia, Europe, and Africa. The seeds of this plant have been used in traditional medicine for treating digestive, lung, and liver disorders. What are the benefits of cumin seeds water? Cumin seeds are an excellent digestive aid. They reduce bloating and gas. Drinking cumin water might help you lose body weight. This can maintain the blood cholesterol level to 1 low in calories. 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2.1 gram, has 8 calories. Hence, having a glass of cumin water does not add extra calories. 2. Boost metabolism. Cumin water helps boost metabolism. It is loaded with vitamins and minerals that act as cofactors for various metabolic reactions. Researchers found that administering cumin and lime improved the metabolic rate and overall lipid profile and reduced the BMI of overweight participants. 3. Improves digestion. Cumin water improves digestion by accelerating the function of the digestive enzymes. Improved digestion result in improved metabolic rate, leading to weight loss. 4. Detoxify the body. Studies show that all varieties of cumin seeds, cumin, black cumin, and bitter cumin are excellent sources of antioxidants and can scavenge the harmful free oxygen radicals. 5. Anti-inflammatory. The active ingredient in cumin seeds have anti-inflammatory properties. A constant state of inflammation can lead to inflammation-induced obesity, and drinking cumin water can help prevent that. 6. Lower LDL cholesterol level. Cumin can help improve HDL cholesterol level and lower LDL cholesterol level. Scientists from Iran studied the effect of cumin powder on obese women and determined their body consumption and lipid profile. This study showed reduced level of LDL cholesterol and triglyceride and higher HDL good cholesterol levels with lower body fat percentage. 7. Improves insulin sensitivity. Cumin helps to sensitize insulin and make it available to cells. Insulin resistance decreases glucose uptake by cells. The more the number of fat cells, the higher the risk of IR and type 2 diabetes. Cumin and weight loss. Cumin can be used for weight loss as it is an effective weight loss remedy. You can lose fat from your belly as well as your whole body within just 15 to 20 days by eating cumin seed or drinking cumin water daily. Previously, a study was held in which 80 obese women were divided into two groups, cumin groups and diet control group. The cumin group were asked to consume cumin on the daily basis and the other group was asked to control their diet. In the end, it was found out that women who had cumin had lost a significant amount of weight as compared to others. Cumin can help in burning calories faster by increasing the speed of metabolism and improving digestion. When you have a healthy digestive system and a faster metabolism, you will automatically lose weight. How to use cumin for weight loss? It is best to make cumin water in a glass, stainless steel or copper bowl. Cover it with a lid to prevent contamination. First method, to prepare cumin water, you will need ingredients: 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 cup water. How to prepare? Soak 2 teaspoon of cumin seeds in a cup of water overnight. In the morning, either drink this water directly or boil it for about 10 minutes. Let it cool down to room temperature and drink it. You must drink cumin water 3 times a day for effective weight loss. First cup in the morning on an empty stomach, second cup 20 minutes before lunch, third cup 20 minutes after dinner. Second method, ingredients: 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 cup water, half lime or lemon. How to prepare? Soak 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds in a cup of water overnight. In the morning, strain the water and add the juice of half a lime or lemon. Stir well and drink. Benefits: lime is a good source of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. It can boost immunity, flush the toxins out, and help maintain the body internal pH. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.